Alright. He seems to be alright. Give him a round of applause. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, those of us who will get some paradise to come on down and check on the ride. Now they seem to be moving. However, I will show the update a little bit later, alright? So once again, please give him a big round of applause. This is a live action show and stuff does happen all the time. And unfortunately, we do not like seeing stuff like that happen. Like I said, it's a live action show. And once again, give them a round of applause for their bravery and outstanding performances. That's right, give them a round of applause. Alright, and now, let's meet your international cast of the Almeda Shrine Circus. We are all family here at the circus. Please listen up. The rides and attractions will be open in just a few minutes. However, please give us a minute to be able to clear everything out. Alright, once again, give us a few minutes to clear everything out. Do not line up at any ride or attraction. Do not wait on the red carpet. Do not walk across the red carpet. Do not stand on the red carpet. I will let you know when it is safe to come on down and stop lighting up.